Fairfax County offers a variety of affordable housing opportunities to its residents, from low-income families to the county's workforce, including teachers, school bus drivers, and our police and fire personnel. The county is the home to one of the best school systems in the nation, the largest library system in Virginia, and has a broad range of historical, cultural, and recreational outlets to offer residents. With all it has to offer, Fairfax County is one of the most desirable places to live in the Washington, D.C. area. However, sometimes affording to live and work in Fairfax County can be challenging. The Department of Housing and Community Development manages many properties across the county. These apartments, townhomes, and condominiums are all part of the Fairfax County Rental Program, a program that helps bridge the gap of affordability for many families.
The program's good because for lots of people cannot afford the high rental that's out there in the private sector. And people have children, people have families, and it's hard. But Fairfax County offers them lower housing, accommodations for the children, quite a few programs for different families, you see. And Fairfax County offers that to a lot of people, and it's very helpful, very good for many people and their families. It has helped me tremendously.
One very attractive property in the Fairfax County Rental Program is the Penderbrook apartment development. Conveniently located near the intersection of Interstate 66 and Route 50 in Fairfax, this upscale market-rate community is also home to a cluster of 48 affordable rental units. Penderbrook's location makes it accessible to employment opportunities, shopping centers, and restaurants. A regional library and many other entertainment options are available within a few miles travel by car or public transportation. Featuring 1- and 2-bedroom units, Penderbrook Apartments are designed to accommodate the busy lives of single adults and families, and feature an open floor plan, large windows, and private balconies. Penderbrook Apartments also offers residents a community clubhouse with state-of-the-art fitness center, pool, and an array of community activities to fit their interest. Penderbrook is not just an apartment community, but it is a place to call home. Penderbrook is just another example of how the Fairfax County Rental Program can offer comfort and security at an affordable price.
I love the community. I feel very safe here.
Located off the Little River Turnpike near the I-495 interchange in Annandale, you'll find the community of Little River Square. This community provides residents with ample green space within the community and the convenience of public transportation and shopping areas that are within walking distance. All Fairfax County Rental Program apartments at Little River Square have wall-to-wall carpet, spacious bedrooms with ample closet space, and an open, comfortable living area where your family can enjoy quality time together. There are 45 affordable units at Little River Square, and in many of these homes, glass doors lead out to your own personal patio or balcony. Residents to Little River Square also have access to a community pool and laundry facilities. From Little River Square in Annandale, we move to the townhouse community of Castellani Meadows, located in the western end of the county in Centerville. Castellani Meadows offers 3 bedrooms, 2-level townhouses that have wall-to-wall carpet, natural lighting, and eat-in kitchens. Castellani Meadows is situated near shopping centers, restaurants, and a movie theater and public transportation. Children can enjoy playtime on the community's top lot, and a library is nearby. Everything you need is within a short distance of Castellani Meadows. The Fairfax County Rental Program impacts the lives of families and individuals in so many positive ways. It offers the stability of affordable rents, helping the county's families to live in attractive, safe communities often in the area where they work. Having an affordable place to call home increases quality of life, as working members of the household are not faced with long commutes and high transportation costs, which can cut into valuable time with family and friends and into a family's budget.
It made me a happier mom because it gave me my sense of worth as a human being again. I can look at the future in a positive way.
Cohen Pond Residences, located near Route 50 and Interstate 66 near Fair Oaks Mall, is a unique opportunity for singles. It is an affordable studio unit community in Fairfax, offering residents the comforts of a studio home with the flexibility of a short-term room agreement. Cohen Pond Residences is located near public transportation, entertainment options, and local shopping centers, including Fairfax Corner. Each unit comes furnished and designed for privacy and comfort. The units are carpeted and come equipped with a bed, table and chairs, a private bathroom with shower, and a kitchenette that includes a small refrigerator, microwave oven, electric cooktop, and sink with garbage disposal. Community rooms and an outdoor picnic area provide ample space and opportunities for residents to socialize. Indoor community rooms provide an entertainment center and a small library where residents can check out books, all in the comfort of their own community. A laundry and vending facility is also located on site. Another family-friendly community is located in Reston. The Westglade Apartments is located at the corner of Sunrise Valley Drive. The community is a short drive to the Reston Parkway, the Dulles Toll Road, and near the Reston Town Center. The planned community of Reston offers its residents a lifestyle that balances convenient shopping, cultural and entertainment opportunities, and employment options set in the beauty of the community's peaceful walking trails, towering trees, and the serenity of several lakes. Westglade offers 2- and 3-bedroom apartments. Each apartment has a private patio or balcony, spacious living room, a kitchen and washer-dryer. The property offers its residents a community center, basketball court, and a playground. Leisure and cultural activities for the whole family are available in the nearby Reston Town Center and on historic Lake Ann. Traveling to the south end of Fairfax County, we reach Colchester Condominiums, located in the bustling Richmond Highway corridor, yet tucked into a quiet corner. Colchester is a short drive from I-395, Fort Belvoir, the Fairfax County Parkway, and the Capitol Beltway. These condominiums offer a nice place for a family who is looking for a very affordable place while still having access to public transportation, shopping centers, and Fairfax County's nationally ranked school system. Some of Colchester's condominiums are part of the Fairfax County Rental Program. The community offers a swimming pool and is located near a community center with a computer clubhouse and other activities for residents. Each apartment has wall-to-wall carpeting with spacious bedrooms, a large living room, and full-size kitchen and dining area where you and your family can enjoy quality time together. The Fairfax County Rental Program offers families in Fairfax the opportunity to live near where they work, to enjoy the many benefits and high quality of life that Fairfax County has to offer. The program provides assistance to those of moderate income, including the county's workforce. Who lives in Fairfax County's rental program? Teachers, firefighters, school bus drivers, healthcare workers, the working families so integral to the economic vitality of Fairfax County. The rental program also provides affordable independent senior housing options in 8 senior communities. Affordable assisted living is available at 2 properties located in Lincolnia and Fairfax. Located throughout Fairfax County from Centerville to Richmond Highway, Reston to Springfield, Fairfax County rental program homes meet the needs of residents. The road to finding a place to call home could be only a click or phone call away.
For all the people out there that are afraid, they don't know what to do, my suggestion is to go on fairfaxcounty.gov. Look under housing. Just call the first number that they find. Just be open and real. Tell them what the problem is. They will help you. I've never met anyone throughout all my difficult period that wasn't ready or willing to help with a smile on their face.
For more information on the Fairfax County rental program or additional properties that the rental program offers, please visit fairfaxcounty.gov/RHA or call 703-246-5100, TTY 703-385-3578.